Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a smoky eye, and yeah, this is actually the favorite technique for me to do, at least because it's not so intense, it's not too much, and you can definitely wear it outdoors even if it's like daylight and it doesn't look too much. Also, I'm gonna visit with a friend today and I've chosen the colors because those are the favorite colors for her to wear, and actually I do love them as well. So yeah, this is the reason why I've chosen the colors. Now let's get jumping. Let's get started. I meant to say.
Misplaced, and I'm gonna tell ya, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No. gonna stop. Come on, listen to me. I've tried so many times to tell you this is as good as I can be. Why isn't it enough to be faithful and also be the hit of the party? Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And I'm gonna tell you, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Never gonna stop. No, 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 no. Yeah, 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 yeah. I ain't never gonna stop. No, no. Oh, I ain't never gonna stop. I ain't never gonna stop now, baby. Never gonna stop now, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, no, no, no. I ain't never gonna stop now, baby. Woo-hoo. Never gonna stop now, baby.
So this is it from me, guys. If you did watch this video, thank you so much, and also give a thumbs up if you did like it, and follow me on my social, Instagram, Facebook and VERO page, and do subscribe here to my channel if you haven't already, and if you have, thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.